Take a moment to check out the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. This versatile three-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, remote engine start, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated rear seat. You deserve the strength and security this Pathfinder has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.